episode of Planet Bollywood, जहां मैं आपको दूंगी all the latest from the world of Bollywood, social media and entertainment. This is me Sagarika Chetri and I'd like to remind all our viewers to go check out the Zoom Facebook page for more updates on your favorite Bollywood celebrities. But for now, just sit back, relax and enjoy the top headlines of the day.
Ranveer Singh to Amitabh Bachchan. B-Town celebs react to Mumbai Indians' victory. Neha Kakkar and Rohan Preet were having a blast in an open car on the streets of Dubai. Kareena Kapoor Khan, Malaika Arora, Manish Malhotra get together at Karan Johar's residence ahead of Diwali 2020. Kangana Ranaut hits back at fans who ask her to stay quiet. Shraddha Kapoor shares many avatars of Nagin as fans flood her with creative versions of the new age serpent. In a video, actress Kangana Ranaut is asking Kissy from her nephew in a cute way. And the video is very adorable. It seems like Masi and nephew are having a good time.
Rangoli Chandel, sister of actress Kangana Ranaut, shared a cute video of Kangana and her nephew by the poolside. This adorable video is bound to leave you in awe of Kangana and her nephew. Kangana को हमने हमेशा एक बोल्ड एक्ट्रेस की तरह जाना है and we've seen her कैसे वो अपनी बात को डंके की चोट पर रखती है. But this video shows another side, a different side to Kangana. This shows her aunt side. Let's take a look at the video.
Kangana Ranaut is known to be the most bold and upfront actress in Bollywood, and she never shies away from expressing herself on any topic. Recently, Kangana की बहन रंगोली चंदेल ने सोशल मीडिया पर एक वीडियो शेयर किया है, जिसमें कंगना पूल के किनारे अपने क्यूट नेफ्यू पृथ्वी के साथ मस्ती कर रही है. Kangana asks her nephew to give her a cute kissy and in return she gets it back. इस वीडियो से ये पता चलता है कि बिंदास कंगना का भी दिल है छोटा सा, मस्ती से भरा हुआ. मासी कंगना और पृथ्वी के बीच का रिश्ता आपका दिल जीत लेगा. Meanwhile, the actress recently shared her brother Akshat's wedding invite on social media. Her brother's wedding is in Udaipur. But Kangana जितनी प्यारी और क्यूट अपने नेफ्यू के साथ है, उतनी ही बिंदास वो अपने ट्रोलर्स को जवाब देने में भी है. She always speaks her mind and when it comes to social media, वो अपने दिल की बात बेझिझक बेधड़क बोल देती है. Recently, Kangana's opinionated posts haven't gone well with a few trollers and they asked the Queen actress to stay quiet on social media. इस बात का कंगना के पास भी धाकड़ जवाब था. Kangana mentioned in her post that they can block or unfollow her if they don't like her tweets. Her post says, "All the fans who keep checking my tweets all day and keep declaring they are bored or tired and ask me to stay quiet should mute or unfollow or block me. If you don't, then you are clearly obsessed. Don't love me like a hater. But if you don't know any better, then go for it. Love." On the work front, Kangana will be seen in Thalaivi as Jaya Lalita. Apart from this, she also has Tejas and Dhakad lined up. Shraddha Kapoor is all set to play shape-shifting Ichhadhari Nagin in a trilogy. and Nagin to have no iconic song, Nikhil Dwivedi reveals details. बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस श्रद्धा कपूर ने हाल ही में सोशल मीडिया पर अनाउंस किया था कि उन्होंने एक ट्रिलॉजी साइन की है, which is based on an इच्छाधारी serpent. Film will be directed by Vishal Furia and produced by Nikhil Dwivedi.
बॉलीवुड की क्यूट गॉर्जियस एक्ट्रेस श्रद्धा कपूर अब बनेगी नागिन, इच्छाधारी नागिन. Actor producer Nikhil Dwivedi shared the news with the media that there will be no iconic song in this film. The film will mark a new age twist to the iconic character of the Ichchadhari serpent. And Shraddha Kapoor will be the female lead of the film, and it will be very interesting to see how Shraddha pulls off this iconic role.
जब निखिल से पूछा गया कि इस फिल्म में कोई आइकॉनिक सॉन्ग होगा, तो निखिल denied about it. He said, "I don't think so. This is going to be a very different kind of contemporary art. If you watch it, you'll understand which direction we're heading to." ये एक नई कहानी है, नया विजन है, तो आइकॉनिक गाने नहीं होंगे. For another question about casting Shraddha in the lead, he backed the actress and said, पहले दिन से ही श्रद्धा पर ही हमारा फोकस है और मैं हमेशा से ही उन्हीं को कास्ट करना चाहता था. And for all 3 films, Shraddha will be in the lead. Shooting of the film will start by mid next year. Shraddha is about to begin her film with Ranbir Kapoor for Love Ranjan shortly, which she will wrap almost half by mid next year. Once that happens, shoot will start for Nagin.
Thank you.
Shraddha also spoke about being the leading lady. It's an absolute delight for me to play a Nagin on screen. I have grown up watching, admiring and idolizing Sridevi ma'am's Nagina and Nigahe and have always wanted to play a similar role rooted in Indian traditional folklore. Fans are making Nagin posters for Shraddha and the actress is loving it. She has shared some posters and artwork done by her fans on social media. श्रद्धा से पहले रीना रॉय, वैजंती माला, श्रीदेवी, रेखा ने नागिन का रोल निभाया है. ऐसे में श्रद्धा से अच्छी अदाकारी की उम्मीद फैंस को रहेगी. Let's wait and watch for Shraddha in as Nagin.
मैम आगे ये मैम कसं काय
Mumbai Indians beat Delhi Capitals by 5 wickets in a cricket tournament 2020 final in Dubai on Tuesday and clinched their 5th title. Sports and B-Town celebrities took to their social media handles to congratulate the 5-time champions of the IPL.
कल रात मुंबई इंडियंस टीम के फैंस के लिए था एक बहुत ही खास दिन. आखिर उनकी फेवरेट टीम मुंबई इंडियंस ने एक क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट को 5 बार जीतकर अपने नाम का दमखम दिखाया है. Soon after the Mumbai franchise successfully defended their title, sports and B-Town celebrities took to their social media handles to congratulate the winning team, the 5-time champions. From Shane Warne to Sachin Tendulkar to Amitabh Bachchan, Ranveer Singh and Abhishek Bachchan, everybody wished the Mumbai team. So let's see who wished and how in this report.
इंडियन क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट में अगर कोई टीम सबसे ज्यादा बार जीती है तो वो है मुंबई की टीम. जैसे ही मुंबई ने अपनी जीत का डंका बजाया, मुंबई और मुंबई के फैंस झूम उठे और नासिक ढोल से लेकर आतिशबाजी तक हो गई, क्योंकि ये जीत फैंस के लिए दिवाली से कम नहीं थी. Bollywood celebrities and sports personalities also congratulated the team after the super performance in the final match. Bollywood actor Ranveer Singh congratulated the Mumbai team on their win in a unique way by performing on a rap from his blockbuster movie Gully Boy. बिग बी अमिताभ बच्चन ने भी अपने अंदाज में चैंपियन मुंबई टीम को विश किया। उन्होंने लिखा, ये मुंबई इंडियंस विक्ट्री फॉर द 5th टाइम, simply incredible. Our master blaster Sachin Tendulkar posted pictures of Mumbai Indians from their historic win and congratulated the team on beating Delhi in the finals. He wrote, "What a victory by the boys. Complete domination by Mumbai Paltan. Well done to the players and the support staff who have continued from where they left off last year." ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्रिकेटर शेन वॉर्न ने भी बीसीसीआई को बधाई दी और कहा, "Congrats to BCCI, Saurav Ganguly and the entire IPL staff and players on making this season another huge success. A massive thanks to the players for the sacrifices they have made. Congrats to the Mumbai Paltan on the victory and well done to the Delhi Capitals on a great season too." वेस्ट इंडीज के स्टाइलिश क्रिकेटर सर विवियन रिचर्ड्स और बॉलीवुड एक्टर अभिषेक बच्चन ने भी मुंबई की टीम को बधाई दी। Congratulations Mumbai Paltan, #IPL Final, Richards posted. Meanwhile, Abhishek wrote, "Yes, Mumbai, champions. Come on, Mumbai Paltan." Chasing a 157-run target, रोहित शर्मा ने कप्तानी पारी खेली। उन्होंने 68 रन्स बनाए। मुंबई इंडियंस ने 18.4 ओवर्स में ही टारगेट अचीव कर लिया और दिल्ली की उम्मीदों पर पानी फेर दिया। जीत तो हर किसी को खुशी देती है, क्योंकि ये एक टीम एफर्ट और मेहनत से ही मिलती है। So guys, be a team player and achieve your goals.
करीना जी, अरे मैम, मलाइका जी, मलाइका जी।
It seems like celebrations have already begun in Bollywood ahead of Diwali.
करीना जी, करीना जी।
Kareena Kapoor Khan, Malaika Arora, Manish Malhotra and others arrive at Karan Johar's residence. रोशनी का त्योहार बस कुछ ही दिन दूर है और ऐसे में हर तरफ खुशियां छाई है, बिकॉज फेस्टिवल मूड हैज स्टार्टेड। देश में चल रहा है खुशियों का माहौल, क्योंकि दिवाली सेलिब्रेशंस चल रहे हैं। पैंडेमिक होने के बाद भी लोग इस फेस्टिवल को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए काफी एक्साइटेड और एंथुसियास्टिक है, और ऐसे में हमारे बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज पार्टी देने से कैसे पीछे रहेंगे। सेलिब्रेशंस हैव ऑलरेडी बिगन इन बॉलीवुड अहेड ऑफ दिवाली, और ऐसी ही एक पार्टी दी डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर करण जौहर ने, एंड मेनी अदर सेलिब्रिटीज वर देयर टू सेलिब्रेट। लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द स्टोरी। जब सारी दुनिया फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट कर रही है, तो बॉलीवुड कैसे पीछे रह सकता है। Although there won't be any big parties like the past few years, celebs have made sure to organize mini get-togethers. और ऐसा ही एक मिनी गेट टुगेदर सबसे पहले ऑर्गेनाइज किया है none other than करण जौहर ने। Celebs have been spotted outside the filmmaker's residence. जो सेलेब्स करण के घर आए वो थे करीना कपूर खान, मलाइका अरोरा, मनीष मल्होत्रा and others. One can easily figure out after having a look at their outfits that it is definitely a pre-Diwali celebration. करीना कपूर खान काफी खूबसूरत और प्यारी लग रही थी in a grey colored सलवार कमीज।
करीना जी, करीना जी, अरे मैम।
करीना ने स्माइल करके सबको ग्रीट किया while looking at the paparazzi as they clicked her pictures.
मलाइका जी पीछे, मलाइका जी, मलाइका जी, मलाइका जी।
Talking about Malaika Arora, the stunning diva looks remarkable in white floral codes. इसके अलावा पार्टी में मनीष मल्होत्रा ट्रेडिशनल आउटफिट्स में नजर आए। We are now eagerly waiting for the inside pictures of the party.
What a view!
चलो, let's order something.
Check the
Singer Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh are enjoying their honeymoon in Dubai. A video is going viral जिसमें नेहा और रोहनप्रीत रोमांटिक कार ड्राइव पर है. Both are enjoying quality time with each other. जब हम सफर साथ हो तो हर रास्ता मस्ती से भरा, सुहाना और प्यारा हो जाता है. और जब बात हनीमून में लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे जाने की हो तो प्यार का नशा और भी चढ़ जाता है. ऐसा ही कुछ हो रहा है न्यूली मैरिड कपल नेहा कक्कर और रोहनप्रीत के साथ.
Newlyweds Neha Kakkar and Rohanpreet Singh are having a gala time in Dubai. They have shared pictures and videos of their hotel room, the view, and also a video where they are actually having a fun time in the car. Now music is on and party is long वाली मंत्रा के साथ दोनों काफी एंजॉय कर रहे हैं और करना भी चाहिए भाई क्योंकि उनका हनीमून है. Check out the full story right here.
Singers tied the knot in October in Delhi and held wedding receptions in Mumbai and Chandigarh. Both are now in Dubai for their honeymoon. A video is going viral जिसमें नेहा और रोहनप्रीत एक ओपन कार में दुबई की सड़कों पर मस्ती से घूमते नजर आ रहे हैं. रोहन कार चला रहे हैं एंड नेहा पीछे बैठी है. On the back seat, Neha is enjoying a lot. She's singing, dancing. In total, she's having lots of fun with her beau, Rohanpreet. They both are giving newly married couples major honeymoon goals. In the video, both are looking stunning as always.
What a view!
चलो, let's order something.
इस बात में कोई दो राय नहीं है कि दोनों अपने हनीमून पे काफी एंजॉय कर रहे हैं एंड दे आर लविंग ईच अदर्स क्यूट लवली कंपनी एंड इससे इनकी बॉन्डिंग भी काफी मजबूत हो रही है.
बेबी, उन्होंने बोला स्टे सेफ नेहा.
Thank you so much.
रोहू तो बोला ही नहीं. So sweet, thank you.
इस वीडियो पर काफी लाइक्स और कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं एंड फैंस आर लविंग ईच एंड एवरी पोस्ट द कपल इज शेयरिंग. If we talk about their looks, so Neha is wearing a floral print blue short dress and Rohanpreet ने black jacket और लाल पगड़ी पहनी है जिसमें वो काफी डैशिंग लग रहे हैं. पिछले ही दिनों उनके होटल रूम का वीडियो वायरल हुआ था जिसमें उनका रूम ब्यूटीफुली फ्लावर्स से डेकोरेटेड था. Well, honeymoon is still on and we can expect for more beautiful photos and videos from the couple.
What a view!
चलो, let's order something.
Check the
Aww. Thank you.
Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break, but stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while.
Recent episodes of Salman Khan's reality show have been highly entertaining. Adalat being conducted in the house. While the panelists Farah Khan, Charul Malik and Amit Tyagi bombarded each contestant with some allegations, they defended themselves with their stance. Farah Khan ने घरवालों की क्लास ली for the disrespectful remark conducted against contestant Ejaz Khan in the house.
The reality show hosted by Salman Khan is making daily news for some reason or the other. The fans love this show, but looks like the bold diva Gauhar Khan does not approve of Farah's views. Gauhar Khan expressed her views on her social media handle about the reality show. अब बात ये है कि फराह खान ने कंटेस्टेंट्स को ये समझाया कि एजाज सीनियर है तो उनकी रिस्पेक्ट कीजिए, उन्हें रिस्पेक्ट दीजिए. And the actress disapproved of Farah schooling the housemates for going against Ejaz as he is a senior in the industry. Gauhar highlights how Pavitra Punia was spared when she was residing in the house. Let's check out the full story for more details.
फराह ने कहा कि एजाज इंडस्ट्री में सीनियर है और घर वालों को ये ध्यान में रखना चाहिए और अपनी लाइंस क्रॉस ना करे. Farah particularly picked up Jasmine Bhasin, Jan Kumar Sanu, Pavitra Punia and Kavita Kaushik for their tasteless comments against Ejaz and asked them to respect his seniority. Not only this, but Farah also lauded Ejaz for keeping his cool, being patient and not indulging in backbiting like others. Meanwhile, actress Gauhar Khan, who was a senior in the house, वो Farah Khan की बात से agree नहीं करती. She expressed her disagreement with Farah indirectly as she talked about giving respect to a senior in the house. Gauhar ने कहा कि पवित्र पुनिया को क्यों छोड़ दिया गया when she hurled a barrage of abuses at her family during her stay in the Bigg Boss 14 house. Moreover, she also refused to believe that Ejaz is showing his patience in the house. Season 7 winner Gauhar Khan ने कहा कि respect is not given but earned. She wrote on social media that respect is earned and not given because of someone's seniority. I am sorry, the way someone talks to others is condescending and rowdy. Where's the respect then? Well, in other news, Gauhar Khan is going to get married with Zaid Darbar. Well, day by day, this show is really getting very interesting.
Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section on our social media handles and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off for now. Until next time, it's goodbye.